Okay, so I just wanted to start off this video by saying if you're interested in hunting content and just outdoor activities, go check out my brother's channel. It's Dirt Naps, all one word, no spaces in there. So DIRTKNAPPS, Dirt Naps. So that's going to be footage from him and I. All of our hunting footage and everything's going to go on that channel since YouTube doesn't really like some of that kind of content. I don't want to get this channel demonetized, but if you have a channel dedicated to it, they normally won't demonetize it. There's only one video on there right now when I'm filming this. It's of some of our coyote, fox, raccoon hunting through our thermal scopes, so it's all just thermal hunting. But go check that out if you're interested in hunting content. And now we're going to get to feeding the cows. Okay, well, got the cows fed, but we're out of feed in the wagon. So I'm going to go up to the shed and I'm going to get the 856. We got to feed these guys a bale of hay anyways. Give them their bale of hay in there. And then I'm going to take the bale spear off the 856. Hook it up to the feed grinder because we left the grinder full last time, and that'll be another week and a half's worth of feed. So get at it. Alright, got the 856 fired up and going. Bale spear. Looks like it's the last bale over here, so we'll have to haul some hay before next weekend when the cows get another bale. It doesn't have to go far. Got the bale of hay, got the twine cut off of it. Stick it in that bale feeder. Then we'll go hook this up to the grinder mixer. Unload the mixer full of feed. Good there. That bale will stay there. I think we got enough rain, Mother Nature. Alright, take these out. Put them back in so you don't lose them. this over here. Now I'm just gonna back that up there. Hook it up, pull it out. I got the grinder mixer out there. Got the grinder hooked up now. Pull up over here next to the wagon. This is gonna take me 2 hands. Okay. Feed going in there. Into here. Probably grab my shovel. That way it doesn't get buried. Alright, so now we got a pretty good pile of corn there. You can see this is coming down about there. Probably just leave the 856 hooked up because I'm sure by next weekend I'll be grinding out of right there. But like I say, it's been 5 weeks already. This will make it 6 weeks since we ground last. So probably try to grind about that much again. Pretty nice having big gaps in between having to come over and get everything out. Probably takes almost as long to set it everything up and take it down and put it away as it does to actually just grind. But it's got to be just about empty. Looks like it's starting to get a little less. Yep. Then all I got to do is back this straight up into that shed, the grinder, and then take this out to the feed shed. Give it a little tap in case anything was in there, holding up in the walls. Let the auger completely clean out, and then, yep, that's about all. Let's see if I remember what I'm doing backing this up into the shed. Oh, a little too far over. Nope, we came in at an angle. Straighten everything back out. There we go. Dang, I normally get it in one try. Now just gotta take the 10 back out. Okay, so they're all happy over there. Got their bale of hay. They ate their grain. Nice sunset over there. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep tuned in for next week. We got some fence to put up, some calves to wean, and whatever other grind and feed next weekend, and just whatever else happens. Don't forget to check out my brother's channel, Dirt Naps. There'll be a link for that down in the description. Just follow the link. Hope you guys enjoy. Give him a subscribe if you want to watch our hunting. It'll be him and I both. But as always, have a good one.